What's up? It's Ben. I'm back. I'm drawing some more. I'm working on a poster today. A poster for my son for his birthday. It's coming up. It's a Binding of Isaac poster. We're both huge fans of the game, and we're both super freaking excited for the card game that's coming out. Binding of Isaac, Four Souls. So super stoked for that. And yeah, so I just wanted to draw him something cool for his birthday. And I originally was gonna do a poster of all the Isaac characters you can play as, but it kind of evolved from that. I decided to get a bit more selective about what characters I chose because I noticed this cool kind of triangle composition forming around the chest area. And so Isaac has a lot of religious undertones in it. And whenever I think of Renaissance art, I think of kind of that triangle composition, kind of the Holy Trinity is kind of where it comes from, I think. And it has a lot of religious undertones in that old Renaissance art. So I thought it was a good match to kind of compare those two. So I kind of kept that triangular composition in mind the whole time. And since I was really leaning into the religious themes, yeah, I chose Satan and the Lamb. They're two bosses from the game. I just used their sprites as reference for this. I didn't really change their poses that much. But yeah, so I was just kind of playing around with this idea of like good versus evil, battle for the soul type of deal. So that's why we have these kind of demon characters and some of the Isaac characters that are actually dead in the game, and then the lost soul kind of ascending into heaven. And it all takes place in the cathedral level. I was really happy with the how the background turned out, the kind of bricks of the cathedral, and the texture I managed to pull off with it. So yeah, I was really proud of that. But yeah, anyways, my tablet broke recently, my Wacom tablet, and it's really bumming me out. I had just finished this, and it just stopped working one day, and I re-downloaded all the drivers and rolled back Windows updates, did all the stuff they said to do online, but nothing was working. All the USB inputs work, like the pen input still works, the touch settings still work, but it works on my other computer screen, like a normal drawing tablet instead of a LCD display. So something's wrong on the inside of it. The computer won't recognize it. I called up Wacom, and they want a butt ton of money to fix it. So that sucks. I don't really have that kind of money right now. And I was looking all around for broken ones on eBay I could buy, maybe with like a really broken screen that I could just rip the parts out of and use that. But there's nothing, man. Couldn't find nothing. I went on Wacom's website. Wacom, I love you, but your website is kind of sucky. Because I'll go on there, and I don't even think they sell this model I have anymore. It's the 27-inch Cintiq Touch, and I'll see it in their product listings. But when I go click on like to shop for it, it's not in there anymore. So I don't even know if they sell the thing anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My whole workflow is screwed up. I don't only use this thing to draw. I use it when I'm video editing and audio editing. Pretty much everything I do on the computer besides typing, I use with this pen input on the tablet. So it's a pretty devastating blow. I feel really naked without it, and it just sucks. So I don't know. Moving forward, the next few weeks, you might see some less content coming from me, not as many videos, because I can't draw as much. I'm gonna have to retrain myself to draw the old way with a normal tablet by looking at the screen. Devastating. So yeah, it does suck because I just work a lot slower without the pen input. I can still draw on this tablet, but it's just a blank screen. So worst case scenario, I'll just have to retrain myself to draw that way. Yeah, I got a couple options I'm looking into to remedy the situation. Wacom, I bugged them a lot. Trying to get them to sell me parts, but they wouldn't do it. I mean, it sucks, but I understand. I've had this tablet for a long time, so there is no kind of warranty that I still have on it. I mean, I remember a couple years ago, the remote broke, and they just sent me a new one right away. So I still love Wacom. It just sucks that this thing broke, and I really didn't do anything to break it. It just stopped working one day. So yeah, I don't know. If things kind of slowed down, you'll know why. It's because I don't really have a tablet. I'm kind of taking her easy until I figure out what to do. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll see ya in the next one.